Let me show you how to solve this question that we have on the board. If x raised to the power of 126 plus 1 over x raised to the power of 126 equals to 7, find x raised to the power of 126 minus 1 over x raised to the power of 126. The first step is that let x raised to the power of 126 equals to p. You can use any letter, right? So I just make use of p. So the equation becomes p plus 1 over p equals to 7. Are you following? What I did was that I just replaced x raised to the power of 126 as p in this equation. Do you understand? So I have p plus 1 over p equals to 7. Now, since x raised to the power of 126 equals to p minus 1 over p, this square can be written as p plus 1 over p square minus 4. Are you following? Now, do you know that p plus 1 over p equals to 7? So, I'm going to have p minus 1 over p squared is equals to, now, p plus 1 over p is what? 7. So, I'm going to have 7 squared minus 4. Okay, so p minus 1 over p squared equals to 49 minus 4. Okay, p minus 1 over p squared is equals to 49 minus 4 is 45, right? Now take the square root of both sides. You're going to have p minus 1 over p equals to the square root of 45. Do you understand? The reason why I take the square root is to eliminate this square. Do you understand? So I'm going to have, and do not forget that root of 45 is equals to square root of 9 multiplied by 5, which is square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 5. Square root of 9 is what? 3. So I'm going to have 3 root 5. Okay. Now, I'm going to have positive and negative because this is not a principal square root. Are you getting it? So for this, we're going to have, now, do not forget that p is what? X raised to the power of 126. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of 126 minus 1 over x raised to the power of 126 equals to plus or minus 3 root 5, which is the final answer. If you have any question as touching what we discussed in this class, do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.